Banks used to be a very, very safe place where you can keep your money, go back to your home, sleep, and have good night rest without worrying about your money. But with the advent of technology also came technological problem now that people's bank accounts can be hacked. We have now multiple channels to access your bank account. So what it means is that maybe through POS, ATM, NFC, payment solutions, USSD banking, online banking, a whole lot of channels are now available to access your account and even collect money from it. So today we're going to show you 5 simple ways by which your bank account can be hacked and how to avoid them. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. We're so excited to have you back, and today we'll be talking about something very, very important. So make sure you share this video with people who are connected to you. If you're new to the channel, why not click on that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell icon to get videos like this. We're going to go in straight away, and we're going to start with the basic one. Your bank registered phone number and email are very, very basic when it comes to whether your account will be hacked or not. And the simple reason is one-time password. Now, this phone number and email can receive one-time password, and with one-time password, somebody can withdraw money from your account, even change your online account login details. And talking about online accounts, whether it's be internet or mobile banking, your user ID, your account number, phone number, and email that is registered with the account are all linked, and they can be used as your username. So most people don't know that. So if you start exposing your bank registered phone number easily, that's like half problem solved. So make sure you reduce exposure to that number, and if that number is in a phone, make sure you lock the phone, because someone can easily slip into the phone and use USSD code to begin to withdraw money, do transfers, do a whole lot of other things, check your BVN number, and that is very, very bad. So the solution I also prefer here is to make sure that you do not use your bank registered email and phone number for your social media, because it gives it so much exposure. If you have done that, you can go to your bank and use another email. The simple reason here is that once hackers see this email and password and phone number, they will start guessing your password. And as we'll talk about next, some people's password are nothing to write home about. The kind of password or PIN that some people use sometimes makes me just want to cry, like 000 1234. Now they use their year of birth, which almost everybody knows, or the last 4 digits of their phone number, or the first 4 digits of their phone number after 080070. I mean, it is just so sad, because these are passwords or PIN that people can guess without blinking. And then the bad thing is that ATM just have 4 PIN, so it's easier to guess. Maybe somebody who sees glances could just see the 4 number that you typed and could guess it. So make sure you use uncommon 4-digit PIN for your ATM, and try to keep it away from where people will see it. In fact, I did a whole video on how to use stronger login and increase your PIN security. You can see the video in the card if you want to know that, and then let's just go on. When it comes to fake SMS, emails, or calls, let's establish one thing here. Your bank will never call you to ask you for your PIN, ATM number, CVV code, or your internet login details. No, they won't. And I just wonder, why do people still fall for this? You should educate everybody around you that a bank would not do that. But when it comes to SMSs, they will send you SMS. Bank will send you SMS. Even hackers will send you. Like the one you're seeing right now is a sample from hackers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it. I'm going to bring the one from Genuine Bank, and then I'm going to show you 3 key things that makes it genuine. Number 1 is the reference number. Now, the reference number can be verified. So if anybody calls you, tell them what's the reference number so I can verify. That reference number can be verified by customer care, through Twitter, online, wherever you can. And for each ticket, for every problem, a ticket is open and a ticket has a reference number. So this is important. There's also date and time in each of those reference. So these are things you watch out for. And anytime you receive call and they ask you, and just tell them, give me the reference number of those tickets so I can verify. And talking about verifying, email also have that. Now, I got this funny email, password change alert, and they mask the title with the same that my bank sent me alert with. So, but the good thing here is that this address is just used to send me alert and not password or security related things. So I was able to detect it. They even put a logo of the bank. But when you click on recipient, you will see that it's from one rubbish at web.de, which is not from my bank. So any link you click here will just, do a lot of damage. So you just delete it without clicking any link. Now, this is a genuine alert from my bank, and it's from no reply at gtbank.com. Okay, let me talk about ATM cards and online banking, because there are a whole lot of advancement right now and ease of operation of these ATM cards right now, that why you think that your card is safe in the house, or maybe your baby is innocently playing with your ATM card in the house, if somehow you kept it somehow and a hacker manages to snap your ATM card in the camera, phone, front and back, and while your ATM card is safe in the house, the hacker can go online and use it to make purchase or other things or pay into their own POS. Like you can see, this is a popular online merchant. And what do they require for you to buy something again? Just these details. No ATM pin is required. All they need is the front details and then the CVV code at the back. Once they enter it into this website and hit enter, it will completely debit your account. So make sure you keep some of these numbers safe. And CVV is that 3 numbers at the back of your card. If you think that is bad, there are also swipe POSs. Now, an online merchant can configure the POS to work without requesting PIN. So even having ATM PIN sometimes could be useless, because money can still be debited from the account without PIN. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about online banking, because banks will always warn you about fraudulent activities that can go online. So we've talked about earlier about password or email or your phone number, that they are critical here. You already know about that. Now you have to make sure you are using a very solid password for your online. But not that. The thing I will also recommend is that anytime you want to go into online banking, make sure you get a token. Make sure you get a token from your bank and use it for every transaction. As added security, and with token you can stop one-time password going to your phone or email in case your phone or email address becomes compromised. Finally, let's wrap it up with using secure connection. Now, these days, people are just all online, ordering things, buying things, and tasked with what is right now. But before you put in your card number, your card details, your internet locking payment solution, go ahead to the URL address bar and check whether it's a secure connection. Now, it could differ from browser to browser, but they will always show you that key with red mark as not secure. But this is the way HTTPS secure should look like. And this is important because if you start doing transaction on a website that is not secure, hackers can actually hack your details and actually take money from your account. So let me know if you want me to do the part 2 of this, where I'll go deeper into phishing and then dangerous short links and others. So until then, I'll see you.